Cultural references in video games hold significant importance, enriching the gaming experience in various ways. They can deepen the narrative, enhance immersion, and resonate with diverse audiences. Here's why cultural references matter in video games. Enhancing storytelling. Cultural references can add layers of meaning to a game's narrative. By incorporating elements from mythology, history, literature, or pop culture, developers can create stories that are richer and more engaging. These references can provide context, background, and depth to the game's plot and characters. Creating relatability. Including cultural references can make games more relatable to players. Familiar symbols, themes, or scenarios can evoke emotions and memories, helping players connect with the game on a personal level. This relatability can increase player engagement and investment in the game. Building immersive worlds. Cultural references contribute to world building, making game environments feel more authentic and lived in. References to real-world cultures, traditions, and practices can enhance the believability of a game's setting, making it more immersive for players. Encouraging exploration and learning. Games that include cultural references can spark curiosity and encourage players to learn more about the cultures being depicted. This can lead to a greater appreciation for diverse cultures and histories. Educational games often use cultural references to teach players about specific topics in an engaging way. Fostering inclusivity. Representing a variety of cultures in video games promotes inclusivity and diversity. By acknowledging and celebrating different cultural backgrounds, developers can create games that appeal to a broader audience. This inclusivity can make players from diverse backgrounds feel seen and valued. Creating nostalgia. Cultural references, especially those from popular media and entertainment, can evoke nostalgia. Games that reference classic movies, TV shows, music, or other media can attract players who have fond memories of those cultural touchstones, enhancing their enjoyment of the game. Enriching aesthetics. Cultural references can influence a game's art style, music, and overall aesthetic. For example, a game inspired by Japanese folklore might feature traditional art styles and music, creating a unique visual and auditory experience. These elements can set the game apart and make it memorable. Providing social commentary. Some games use cultural references to comment on contemporary social issues. By referencing real-world events, political movements, or societal trends, developers can engage players in meaningful conversations about the world around them. This can add a layer of depth and relevance to the game. Enhancing humor. Cultural references can be a source of humor, adding a lighthearted or satirical element to games. Clever references and inside jokes can create a sense of camaraderie among players who recognize and appreciate them, enhancing the overall enjoyment of the game. Boosting replayability. Games rich in cultural references often reward players for exploration and attention to detail. Discovering hidden references or understanding the significance of certain elements can encourage players to replay the game, uncovering new layers of meaning and enjoyment with each playthrough. In summary, cultural references in video games play a crucial role in enhancing storytelling, building immersive worlds, fostering inclusivity, and creating meaningful connections with players. They enrich the gaming experience, making it more engaging, educational, and enjoyable.